Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the left or the right headlight are located on that generation GMC Terrain here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find and we'll talk about that. By the way, if you guys need to have problems with the headlights, do not waste money on parts tools diagnostics until you watch that video because it could be simple fix. And by the way, if you need to buy replacement parts tools, fuses, relays, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, for left, right headlight, which fuses, relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on that generation GMC Terrain here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners will not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood guys and facing the engine now. Here on the right side, on the driver's side, you see that's the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here and a clip there. Release them, leave the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So now guys, we need to check 2 fuses, 1 relay, where they're located. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain what else you need to check. Here guys, for the headlights, we need to start with fuse number 35, right here, this fuse, and fuse number 36. These 2 are the main fuses, okay, for the headlights. And the relay guys, okay, 35, 36, the relay is known as 59, right next to it, right here. Now if you still have problems with headlights, you checked everything, we have a special video that explains why a headlight does not work on GMC Terrain, but quick advice, it may involve resetting the BCM for the headlights to work correctly after you had a problem with them. Guys, just quick advice from us to save you more money. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for a peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.